The power lies in the present moment. This statement is so deep and it is connected to the today's topic of weekly inspirational segment by me, Dr. Kasturi R. Naik. Today we are going to talk about three steps to decode self-empowerment. Okay, the first step is, what is self-empowerment? Self-empowerment is a statement that I am the creator, I am the influencer of my life. Now, if these statements hold true for each one of us, then we come to the second step. The second step is, if I want to be the creator or I want to be the influencer of my life, what is required? Where is my life happening? Answer to that question is required. And where is my life happening? My life is happening in the present moment. So the second step of decoding self-empowerment is, once I understand that what is self-empowerment, I am the creator or influencer of my life. That is, I take the responsibility and accountability of my life. I understand the second step, that is, where is my life happening? And my life is happening in the present moment. So I need to be there in the present moment. I need to be mindful of the present moment. In this particular present moment, I need to focus all my thoughts and then act. As it is said in a beautiful book, and this is the book which I am reading right now. The book is Be Your Own Leader. In this, it is said that I think and so I say, I feel and so I do. And that is what is being in the present moment. Okay? Being mindful, that is the second step. Now the third step of decoding self-empowerment includes that, okay, I do agree that self-empowerment means I'm the creator and I'm the influencer of my life. Second step also, I do agree that where is my life? My life is not created in the past or in the future, but my life is created in this particular present moment. The third step is, do you believe in mindfulness? Do you believe in being in the present moment? Do you agree to this particular thought process? That is the third step. What is your belief system? Do you believe mindfulness is a myth? Do you believe there is no such thing as focus, concentration, or being in the present moment? Or the statement that the power lies in the present moment is a myth? Then yes, that will be the reality for you. And if you believe that mindfulness is possible, if you believe that yes, my life is created in this very present moment where I am, and if you believe that I do create and influence my life, then that will become a reality for you. And that is what is the third step of decoding empowerment. The third step is, what belief system are you watering? Are you watering the empowering belief systems or are you watering the disempowering belief systems? And that is how we come to the statement that power lies in the present moment. And what are you watering in the present moment? Whatever you are thinking right now is becoming a reality for you. Okay, that is what is self-empowerment all about. And this all is based on the beautiful thought that change your thoughts and change your life. So that's all for this particular week. Take care, stay protected. If you feel the information and the 3 steps shared in this video was insightful and it was somewhere helpful in solving the puzzle of self-empowerment for you, please like, share and subscribe. If you're watching on YouTube, do subscribe. If you're watching on LinkedIn and Facebook, like and share this particular video, and welcome more and more friends and family into this circle of empowerment. See you, take care, stay protected.